NUVO Stock Tuesday. Is NUVO Stock a buy or not? Watch this whole mini video to the end to find out. Holdco Nuvo Group stock is sitting at approximately 520. It's like 157% up is the highest that I've seen today. Even past week, like it's just some crazy numbers. But that with Nuvo was just typical, because before that, like talking about May, start of May, first week, we're seeing some crazy upside deliveries here in the five. Okay, 5 minutes is not that much, but again, this is some crazy upside deliveries. And honestly, man, like the only way that I'm going to continue to be a part of some movement like this with NUVO, just don't have like a shiny object. I want to see the price first pulled up. And if it starts going even below here, then this is going to get diluted, and the idea. But if it pulls up, then it's going to show that it really wants to go up, have proof of concept and stuff. So it's going to be a better trade to take, but it's obviously not financial advice by any means. So if you want to learn my strategy for free, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.